Hey everybody, I'm Mike from Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, and today we are at the Hiram store, the brand new remodeled Hiram store. If you haven't been here in a while, you're not going to believe what you're about to see. Let's go take a look. Well, welcome inside Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. This is the Hiram location. This has been remodeled. First remodel, I believe, in 17 years. Let's welcome in store manager Mike McHugh. How nice is it? 17 years and like a new place, right?
17 years, unbelievable. We've made some great new changes. It's fantastic.
Yeah. First thing I think you notice, and I've been here as a customer, there were some dark black walls. Now it's bright.
Absolutely. The white ceiling has made such a tremendous difference. I hear it every day. Customers from before saying, wait a minute, something's changed. I say, look up.
See the light?
Absolutely,
Right?
Absolutely. We've also knocked down some walls, added a beautiful mattress wall back there. It's just fantastic, everything that's happened here. So we're excited. It only took 17 years to add 8,000.
Well worth the wait though, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Stick around, we're going to show you everything. Let's go take a look. All right, let's talk about the remodeling of this Hiram store. And where we're standing now used to be outside, now it's inside, and we've got some of this great outdoor patio furniture, right, to start with.
Absolutely. At one point in time, like you said, all of this was in the hot sun. Now, all of our customers can come in, enjoy the air conditioning, and shop for outdoor furniture. And we've got a much broader selection right now. It's utterly fantastic.
Tell me about when, because what I'm looking at now is, that was the outer wall that I'm looking at, right?
Yes, that was the outer wall. So imagine, we've actually added 8,000 square feet to the building. It looks great in here. So in addition to the wonderful outdoor selection that we have now, we also added a special area just for reclining furniture.
All right, Mike, you talked about it. So you get 8,000 square feet to work with now, and behind me is a sea of reclining furniture. Number one, that means more selection for our customers.
Absolutely. It's been wonderful because, like I said before, all of this, well, we didn't have all of this. We had maybe half of it. It all had to sit out there. Now with the new addition, you see it, a sea of reclining furniture. So many different choices, so many different fabrics, colors, leathers, things that we could never have before. We've got it now.
Well, I'd imagine you got some complaints from customers saying, you just don't have enough selection, right?
That was the complaint before, not anymore. Now they're saying, wow, what do I choose? So it's been good. It's been very good for us and for the customers.
I mentioned a teaching tool. What you see behind me, that is new, Mike. That mattress wall, and really, you know, that's where I started again as a customer, buying a mattress here, helping me understand innerspring versus hybrid versus foam. How much does it help customers to get that knowledge?
It helps them tremendously. They no longer have to wander around an entire mattress gallery, especially one as large as the one that we have here and at all of our stores. My salespeople simply tell them innerspring mattresses are on one side of the gallery, foam and hybrid are on others. So depending on which field that the customer like, they can go directly to that field and just try out every mattress in that type.
All right, part of the remodel was to expand the custom design center. You can see we've done that. Jennifer is here, good to see you, to help us talk us through. So help us out here, because there's so much to choose from, but people want that certain fabric, that certain combination. Now we can accommodate them, right?
We sure can. We are definitely your go-to in the area. We have over 7,000 fabrics from over 12 different vendors. We've really emphasized this area of Georgia and Paulding County.
What's been the response from customers when they see so many options? And again, we help walk you through what's best for you as far as color combinations and things like that. But people do want choice. They want what they want.
They do. They can pretty much pick the frame they want and get any fabric, pillow fabric, arm, leg, back. I mean, completely customized.
Yeah. And our staff, how would you describe what our staff does to help that process? I mean, really, it's helping guide the customer to what they really want and need, what's best for them.
Absolutely. They are highly trained individuals that will walk you through every step of the way. They'll give you time, to look at the fabrics on your own, or they'll just stay with you and pick the right fabric You know, we use our room planner that's on our website a lot, you know, for spacing and size, and, you know, do you need 2 chairs? Do you want a rocker? There are so many different options.
And so many different companies, right? And price points.
Yes, price points.
Right, we help walk you through that.
Absolutely.
If you want to invest in something more expensive, great. Maybe something a little more inexpensive will fit the bill.
There's
literally.
something for everyone, all lifestyles, children, pets, grandchildren, everything.
Awesome. Well done. Yeah, come see us. Well, there you have it, an in-depth look at the remodeled and expanded Hiram location of Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet. So much to see. You got a sneak peek there of the 8,000 square feet, patio furniture, reclining furniture, but to get the full experience, come on out and see us.